Group, the voice can be a little louder. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, sir. Thank you. We love to see the spark because in the process of aging, we are losing the spark. You are the inspiration for us to have the same spark that you have got at 16. And to begin with, I would like to thank the admission department, Rajalakshmi Madam heading the department, for conducting this kind of the career talk, which is very useful, especially to the youth of 16 to 18 age group. What we should be once we complete our PU, where we need to land up, how we can realize our dreams. So I thank the entire admission department, basically headed by Rajalakshmi Madam. Thank you very much, Madam, for conducting this one. And I thank our Dean, new enrollments. We call in Western countries, freshmen. So our deans are Dr. Shripad Markande. Thank you very much, sir. He is the one who is the guiding force for entirely close to 1,000 students who join every year in our institute. And it's not the last. I thank all the dignitaries sitting in front, guiding you to this institute so that you can have a look at it, can clarify some of your doubts, can have an absolute crystal clarity what to do once you complete the PU. And now, most importantly, to all my young friends, we are delighted and we always love to speak to you because you can't actually learn the things having my age. The best thing is that listen to us and get that experience. People say experience comes by experience, but there is a shortcut. Listen to them carefully. You will get all the things in a nutshell, maybe in a couple of hours. I wish all of you utilize this time to put a lot of questions to us. This is not an awareness event where we would like to promote Navkis College of Engineering under MSRT brand. We consider ourselves as Vishwa Gurus. Whoever the students are, we would like to actually teach, and in the process we want to learn and relearn. So you can ask questions about what about the pharmacy, what about MBBS, what about CA, what about architecture, what about design, what about law, not necessarily engineering. You can ask, by the way, in engineering also, because basically this entire setup is to promote in our area, Hassan and surrounding, is to promote a quality education in engineering. Nevertheless, at the backdrop of we coming up with a university, I'm very happy to inform you by 2026, most likely 99, we are starting a Navkis University in our Hassan district. It would be having 5 colleges. Generally under the university we call them schools. You may think that why from PU we are going back to the schools, but they are called schools. School of Engineering, School of Law, School of Architecture, School of Design, School of Liberal Sciences, School of Management. Wide open opportunities for all of you. I wish the boys and girls will be very active in questioning us, getting your doubts clarified. Because you should not go by an advertisement of any university or a college. You should go to that. Seeing is believing. Go, talk to the people, talk to the functional heads. That's why you have got those cabins over there. If you are specifically interested in any particular department, because now the world is emerging into the new technologies. A pure computer science has got arms extended in terms of the data science, in terms of the machine learning, cyber security, blockchain, machine learning. So you should know before you choose what actually it is going to be, not in 2026, in 2030. I hope you are understanding me. Not the day you join, the day you come out. What would be the world? What is your sustainable career? We all need money. How much people say that no, money won't bring you happiness. Those are all, they are stomach-full people with having enough money, they speak like that. We need money and peace of mind, by the way. So to need the money, you need a very good career. Very good career. This is making or breaking these 2 years to you. To you is the make or break. Heroes or zeros. So you be smart. All of you are equally blessed by the God with the natural intelligence. But the problem is application of the mind. Some people, they may listen to me very casually. Some people, they can be attentive to me what he is speaking. It makes the difference. Heaven of difference. The reason is, when you are at 16, when we were at 16, we were not having mentors to guide us. We were not knowing there is an examination called JEE. We were not knowing there are examinations which can take us to the law. Presently, you are blessed to have abundance of data by your internet, by artificial intelligence, chat GPTs, perplexities, Gemini AIs. You can use it, you can actually compare. They don't give you 100% accurate one. They will be having a hypothetical simulation and they will give you. Better talk to your parents, talk to your teachers, talk to the mentors. Form an opinion. Do not go by the trend that is happening in the market. Trend will be followed by, I don't want to name the animal, which follows always. Leader will specify their own path. Many of you do not know there are startups where you can start your own. You don't need to work under somebody. Working under somebody, the name itself, you are actually fulfilling somebody else's dreams by actually sacrificing your life. Have your own startup companies. Nowadays, you don't require solid money. You have got bankers here. You can talk to them very maturely. If you want to start up, how much actually the support you will get it? The risk factor is minimized. You can employ some of the people of your own area. Especially the girls. Each girl who is educated and who becomes a leader, they will lift the entire family, the standard of living. We are next to none not to have any facilities in our families. Everybody would like to fly and see what is happening at Amazon areas, what is happening at Atlantica. You must have money to go there. To that, you should earn. To earn, the subject that you have to choose is not by the trend, close to your heart. No branch is superior. No specialization is superior. This is the trend of interdisciplinary. You get into engineering, you require a little bit of medicine. You take a little bit of medicine, you require the law to protect you. These are all now interdisciplinary. Best thing that we could give you in a nutshell, simple advice to all of you is, listen to your heart. Which is passionating you, take that branch. That would lead you to the height. If you are good at chess, excel in that. Then no career is better than the chess one. If you are good at arts, take it. If you are good at mathematics branches you choose in engineering. In engineering, what is trending, don't ask the peers. Peers and the trend that will mislead you, because none of the peers or none of the trends, they can predict what will happen in 230. Because every year the dynamics are changing. So the best thing under these circumstances is to listen to your art and find it out and evaluate which one is good. Speak to the people, because when you open up, when you are interactive, then only you are called a professional student. You are not here to be taken for a ride. If you don't understand, stand up. And those are the heroes in the group who can stand up and ask. It is not that easy to stand up and ask in a group, because somebody stands with a kind of doubt whether I am asking a correct question or a wrong question. Questions are questions, not bad questions are good questions. You can say, sir, I'm good at physics. What career you suggest? You can ask us. But the decision you take. Listen to all of us. Let your wisdom take the frontier step to decide. I wish that you'll be having a couple of hours, wonderful experience here, knowing whatever you wanted to know, because we have got various heads of the department. Dr. Dinesh, please stand up. He is the head of the department of CSC, and he has got 7 PhDs completed under him, and a few of them are online. And he is basically from cyber security, and you know how much important. The banking people will tell you how much security is important. Otherwise, money put by somebody else can be taken out if the password is known. So security is very important, and they are spending a lot of amount in the research, and they are hiring with a huge salaries. Ask him, he will tell you in cyber security what is the present salaries by most of the banking people. And already Vivekananda sir, I think we have some. Dr. Mohan, you can wave your hand. He is our head of the department physics, and he is our very localite and has got a huge networking. And there are a few other heads of the department. Maybe you will be meeting during the a couple of hours later, once actually the formal part is over. So once again, I thank all the people who brought the students to our campus. I wish they'll be moving around, having a look at some of the laboratories, asking them for what this particular thing is there, and getting enlightened, because every day we expect delta X value addition to the human being, and it will be integrated. Those who know the mathematics, over the period, it will be a huge one, and start with a small step, and you will be growing in stature. I wish you will be having lots of money and huge peace of mind. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We have with us Dr. Shripad Markande, Dean, New Enrollments and Accreditations. Sir is a renowned mathematician and has expertise in the area of fluid mechanics. Sir has worked in several universities across India at various